The Arabian Desert, a land of immense scale, a place of scorching sun and shifting sands. Here the wind reigns supreme. Across these dunes a phenomenon unfolds, the sandstorm. Winds whip up fine grains of sand, a swirling vortex of dust engulfs the landscape. Visibility drops to mere meters. The desert floor, moments ago bathed in sunshine, is now shrouded in an eerie orange glow. The sandstorm, a dramatic display of nature's raw power, leaves its mark on everything it touches. Sandstorms are agents of change, reshaping the very landscape they traverse. Dunes shift and reform, sculpted by the wind's invisible hand. These storms can be harsh, stripping moisture from the air and burying plants under a blanket of sand. Animals seek shelter, their senses overwhelmed by the dust-filled air. Yet amidst this chaos, life persists. Over millennia, desert creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to not just survive, but thrive in this challenging environment. Consider the sand-skipping insect. This tiny creature, no bigger than a fingernail, uses the sandstorm to its advantage. Its long legs, perfectly adapted for the shifting terrain, help it navigate the sand with ease. As the wind howls, the sand-skipping insect leaps and bounds, seemingly dancing across the dunes. It uses the storm as cover to hunt for smaller insects disoriented by the swirling sand. Plants, too, have developed remarkable resilience. Some lie dormant beneath the sand, waiting for rain to awaken them. Others, like the hardy desert shrubs, have deep roots that tap into underground water sources. The Arabian Desert, under the fury of a sandstorm, might seem like a place of desolation. Yet look closer, see the dance of life continuing, even in the harshest of conditions. The sandstorm, a symbol of nature's power, also reveals the incredible tenacity of life. Each grain of sand, each gust of wind tells a story of adaptation and survival. It is a testament to the enduring beauty and resilience of the natural world.